Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you something like this. This is the Ottocast Car TV Mate Max, and this device, it's not expensive but will give you lots of opportunity which you will get from much expensive device, but you will need one cable. Which one? Stay with me and I will show you everything step by step. Alright, so guys, let me start as usual from unboxing. As you can see, that's the box which I showed before, so a few simple information. Let's open it. So inside there you will find, of course, the user manual, and let's be honest, you don't need that because that's very intuitive and very simple item. But of course you've got all necessary information. Alright, so inside there also you will find the main device, which looks like square box, quite nice, very light, quite long cable, which is very handy, I will say, because after you plug into your USB socket, you can just hide away this item onto your glove box or under the armrest in the storage. You've got one USB port and also HDMI, which is very important, and I will show you why. So this is like input, this is only output. That's mean you can charge your phone, you can just use the other device, you will get the electric support from this socket. Here everything's going in. Alright, so let me now plug in this device to the car, and we'll see how many seconds or how long we have to wait to connect this device with my car. Alright, so couple seconds and we are in. So first of all, as you can see, we've got two options here. So we've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, okay, or HDMI. And if we click on the first one, we will be straight in our phone menu. So that's my iPhone menu. I'm more than sure I don't have to show step by step everything because we already knew that. So this is everything is like from our phone. Yeah, okay. Of course everything works smooth, but it's not about the touch screen, it's mostly about the speed of your internet, but everything is fine. Okay, anyway, so that's very simple. You know what to do with that. Let's go back to the main menu because that's very important, actually more important than only the Android Auto. Okay, so as I said before, you can use this device to connect your phone, Android or Apple phone, with your car system. If your car system does not support wireless Bluetooth connection, but has also very interesting feature, which is the HDMI. Okay, it's no signal right now, but let me just plug in. So that's the standard HDMI cable. Let's plug, and now you can just plug to your phone or any other device, for example any tablet or any other device. Of course my HDMI has USB port C on this side, but you can order any one. This depends of your device. So when you plug in, actually it's nothing happen. You need to unblock this device, in this case my phone, and there you go. You've got everything what is on your phone, you've got on the screen of your car. And I will say it works quite smooth and quick. There is not huge delay, maybe around half second, that's all. You can use of course that device for YouTube or any others one. Hold on, it's not comfortable to do it on one hand. Okay, and let me choose something from, let's say here, my video.
This is impossible.
Okay, as you can see, Okay, maybe the view right now is not clear just because, look at that. Okay, now it's better, the connection with the internet. But as you can see, the screen is quite small, but you've got few options here. You can just click this button here and you will see the bigger resolution, bigger screen, like properly screen, 16.9, and here is everything is fine. That's the wide view. It's not quite nice in my opinion. That's the small square, but this is the best one. The best one, okay. Just to see you the different. Of course, this screen is now bigger than your phone, but let me show you something different. Why is quite important or quite handy? Because you can watch some movies on your break, and you can use your audio system from your car. And if you've got the good audio system, you will feel like in cinema.
One Vanderbilt was our opportunity to put our mark on the skyline.
This was a building built by New Yorkers for New Yorkers. There was nothing that was going to stop us. One Vanderbilt will forever be.
So, what do you think about it, guys? Because in my opinion, in my personal opinion, that's something, wow, it's great, it's lovely. It's actually, you know, one cable and one small item can make your car like a cinema room. And I really like it. I really like it. Yeah, so when you are traveling somewhere, you want to watch some movies, something like that, and you want the audio quite better than just from the watching on the phone, you can just plug into this device and watch that like in cinema. And I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. Of course, the link to this item you will find below this video, and that's from Ottocast. And I will say this is one of the better device which I tested so far, because yeah, it's absolutely nice. It's nice. Okay, the other ones has also the feature like a mirror, but there is something like few second delay and doesn't work properly like this one. When you've got some device connected straight to this device by the cable, you've got better support than just by the Bluetooth. Alright, let me know in the comment below if you find this device useful, what you think about it, if you would like to buy something like that. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your followers, and see you next time.